Hi friends, today we will learn 6th class social science. The topic is the First Empire the Mauryas. The Mauryas established the first ever empire in history of India. It was called an empire because it was much larger than a kingdom and was spread over a vast area. The Mauryas controlled more land than any previous ruler or dynasty. Mauryan empires. Chandragupta Maurya 321 to 207 BC. The first ruler of the dynasty was Chandragupta Maurya. Bindusara 297 to 273 BC. Emperor Ashoka 273 to 232 BC. These are some important emperors in Mauryas. Some important bits. Kalinga war 261 BC. Sources. The main sources of information on the Mauryas are two books, Indica by Megasthenes and Arthashastra by Kautilya. The Indica tells us about the political, social, and economic conditions of life during that period. The Arthashastra deals with how to govern an empire. It describes the empire administration of the Mauryas. Chanakya, who was also known as Kautilya or Vishnugupta. Megasthenes was the ambassador of Seleucus Nicator. He lived in the court of Chandragupta for many years. Thank you.